Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be showing you guys how to unlock the iPhone 4 on 4.1 as well as jailbreak the Apple TV. And this we're using Pwnage tool 4.1. First thing you need to do is go into Safari and go to the dev team blog. The link will be in the description. Alright, once you're on the blog, scroll down, or if you're not on the same page, go to Pwnage tool 4.1 info. Scroll down here where it says the mirrors, where you can download, or you can download a torrent, whichever one works for you. Go ahead and click on the mirror link, and it'll start downloading. So go ahead and close that out. Once it's downloaded, open it up, and you'll get a little drive like this. Go open it up and either put it to your desktop dock. Alright, once that's done, you want to download your iPhone 4 firmware or whatever you're jailbreaking. So you want to go to this website that I have here. It'll be in the description, so go to iPod firmware. So go onto this tab and see the drop down menu. You can select whatever you're using here. And even they added the Apple TV, so that's pretty cool. So here I'm using the iPhone 4 and 4.1. And then now go ahead and hit download. Once that's done, go ahead and put the firmware to your desktop, save it to your desktop, or right click show in Finder and drag to your desktop. Now we're going to go ahead and open up Pwnage tool. Alright, same notice comes up when in every Pwnage tool, just hit OK. Now here first thing you want to do is go to expert mode, so you see the Einstein face, and hit your device that you're using, iPhone 4. Next, browse for the IPSW file, which is what we downloaded right there. So let's see if I hit the right one. This one. Open. Now it's just see the spinning wheel is verifying the firmware. Alright, now this is the main menu of Pwnage tool. This is where you customize everything and see what you're actually jailbreaking. So go ahead and hit general and make sure that's ticked off and hit next. In general, you want to have activate the phone ticked. It usually should be ticked, but if it isn't, go ahead and click it, because this basically is activating the phone. Say you bought the phone in US and you're using it in another country, such as I am. I'm using an Fido server in. This is an AT&T phone, so activating the phone is the best, because when you restore your iPhone, it's going to go and get locked. So the root partition size, you can leave it as it is, or you can have it larger, or however you want. Basically, this splits your iPhone memory and into two pieces, so you get the space is strictly for the jailbreak. Go ahead and hit next. You can install sources or basically packages before you even jailbreak, so this is cool. I usually just do it once I have it on the device. Hit next. Cydia installer has to be ticked if you want Cydia, and then you're done. Pretty much just hit build, and then once you hit build, you're gonna hit next, and it's gonna build the firmware. It should take about 10 minutes. That's how long it took for me. And then on the desktop, you'll see a new firmware that's called the same thing as the download, except now it says custom restore. So you can get rid of this one or put it wherever you want. So this is the one you're going to be working with now. Also, once it's done building, it's going to ask you to put in DFU mode. Usually the first time it fails because it doesn't tell you when it's going to do it. It just automatically does it. So what you're going to have to do is, I'll show you right here, is hold the home and power button for 10 seconds. Right, hold it down, and after 10 seconds you want to release the power button and keep holding the home button for another 10 seconds. And then obviously iTunes will go ahead and pop up saying your iPhone is in restore mode or recovery mode. And then what you want to do is, on the Mac, you want to hit Alt and Option key right beside the command. So hit that and hit restore. Now you'll see a Finder window pop up. You want to select your custom firmware. Make sure it says custom restore or whatever you named it when you're building it in Pwnage tool. So select the firmware. It's going to go ahead and restore into it, and then your iPhone will be fully jailbroken on 4.1. you'll get the nice Game Center app, and I'll show you here in settings that I'm actually on 4.1, and there you see it, 4.1 firmware. And to unlock it, you just go in Cydia and add the same repo 666 source. It'll be in the description down below, so you can check that out. But yeah, guys, that is it. That is how to jailbreak the iPhone 4 and unlock it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.